Alright, what's up guys, it's Jay here, and I just got a new high-speed camera. So I got 6 crappy dollar store Rubik's Cubes, and I'm going to put them through some pretty crazy tests. So roll the music and roll the clips, and let's get into destroying these. Alright, so here's what's left of the burnt Rubik's Cube, and as you can see there is not much left, but we actually have one cube left, and I'm going to ask you guys to post in the comments what you want me to do to this. So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your comments.